Hello, good day. Have you been thinking about finally owning your own home? Well, I'm about to introduce you to a company that's about to make that dream, your dream, a reality. Yes, this is for real. Customer satisfaction is our priority here at Docs Engineering. It is because of the many relationships that we have developed with the thousands of working clients that we understand your frustration in trying to acquire a home. Docs Engineering Works Limited has been in the home construction business for over 25 years. They are highly rated for their unique designs, engineering, completion time, and their use of superior quality products. Today, I'd like to introduce you to the Managing Director of Docs Group of Companies, and he's here to tell us a little bit more about his vision for Trinbago. Mr. Gosain, tell me, with what we are experiencing right now in this world with the economic downfall, do you think it's wise to build a home?
I would say that before the situation came up with the COVID virus, homes were always a necessity. And in order to rebuild the economy after COVID, we will need to find and formulate methods so that we can get the economy going. In order to do that, it is imperative that we start back to work. However, before COVID, we had a situation in this country where more than 70 to 80% of the population could not have bought a house on the open market. However, the plan that I am putting in place would ensure that we come within the economies of the pocket of the clients that we are targeted. The situation in the country, what will happen is that we will be able to not only meet and greet with the prices now as the economy is in a bad state and the government would not be able to provide subsidized housing, our system will be foolproof, where we will be able to provide houses at an affordable price for our clients and also provide jobs and help rebuild the economy. When the government took the decision to put a halt to all non-essential services as this pandemic ravaged the world, we all knew the importance of flattening the curve. It was a first in my life that I have spent this much time out of my office. And I must say, I had ample time to reflect on the important things in life, as I am sure most of you would have done. It has always been my dream to build thousands of houses that will be channeled to the 70 to 80% of my fellow Trinbagonians who cannot afford a home on the open market. Today, I'm here to introduce a way forward for persons wishing to realize their dream of owning a home. Persons who have literally given up hope on any chance of home ownership. Many generations have been relying on the hope of subsidized housing offered by the government housing programs. I believe that we have developed a logical solution with prices that will meet your affordance. We will formulate a system to ensure transparency. We will work towards scales of economies that will allow you to own your dream home. Lands will be acquired with the intention to keep a cost that meets the pockets of our clients. It is our intention to partner with the administrative, regulatory, and government agencies to achieve this. We will work with our partners at Global Building Systems, the designers of our Wafflecrete system, bringing their wealth of knowledge and global experience to assist us in ensuring we are technically equipped to produce these homes at a speed and quality that has never been seen in our region before. Docks Engineering has taken the commitment to produce homes at prices that meet the various economic groups. And as we continue to survey our clients in understanding the scale and types of units required to achieve this dream, we will ensure that we provide you with comfortable and futuristic homes. Remember, together we aspire, together we achieve.